Gaby Morales. I'm with Kain McArthur out of Kansas City. The recipe I made today was shrimp and grits. I did a cheesy grits in the jet steamer.
So you're telling me right here, you're gonna use a jet steamer. This thing better not take off when you hit this button. Why did we pick the jet steamer here?
Because I'm gonna be making grits today. And then I did the shrimp in the rapid steamer. My favorite thing about the rapid steamer is just the versatility of it. There's so many different products you can cook in it. Keeps the flavors, nice juicy product.
You're gonna come out of here and cook shrimp and grits in a jet steamer?
Correct, yes, and in a fraction of the time that it usually takes.
So, wait, fraction. You're gonna have to show me this.
Yeah,
Show me how this
let
works.
me show you.
Wait, you just touched one button.
Just one button, it was that easy.
Okay, wait, that says 10 seconds. That's impossible.
It's possible. My favorite thing about the jet steamer is just how quickly it can make product, and it keeps the integrity of the product, keeps all the nutrients. I would say the biggest operational challenge that the steamers help overcome for operators is labor. And it's probably the biggest one just because labor is expensive with the press of the button. So virtually anybody could do that. So you're not paying the amount of labor that you would, and also you're able to make more product in a faster amount of time, therefore making more money, more profit. Good product makes good food. I put a lot of passion into everything I cook. I take a lot of pride in the dishes that I put out, and I really enjoy knowing people enjoy eating what I've cooked. That is my way of showing love.